going to go on with the eyeshadow. So if you don't have primer, that's okay. You can use any kind of concealer. It works too. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a color like and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. I'm going to grab a little bit like this of my eyelid. To grab this very sparkly shimmery red and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyelid. So I'm going to grab just a little bit with my finger like this. See how sparkly that is? And I'm going to put it in the inner corner. Is grab a brush like this one, and I'm a black, and I'm just going to put a little bit, very little, a little amount, and I'm going to just put it right where the tape is. So you're only using a little bit because if you use a lot of black, it just makes a huge mess. You see, I literally didn't put anything on the brush and look at how much it is. Now what I'm going to do is put eyeliner on. You don't have to. If you're okay with just like the black in the outer corner, you don't have to put eyeliner on. But I like putting just a little bit. Okay guys, now I'm going to move on with my face. Now I'm grabbing a brush like this, and with the same red that we used for our eyeshadow, I'm just going to grab a little bit like this. And I'm going to put it in the outer third corner, the third outer corner of my eye. Of my lash line, bottom lash line. Okay guys, that is it for today's YouTube video. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys are able to use it. Again, it's really simple, really easy. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Bye. And put it in the outer corner. Inner corner